Hey, what's up guys? This is again Showtime with MZ, back with another video, and today Apple has released or announced iPhone 12s. 12 mini, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. So let us jump to the review of these products. Let's start everything with the 5G, and these iPhone 12 lineup will be the first to have 5G technology, which is super fast, more advanced, private, secure, and it is breakthrough innovation. Now let's talk about the speed. Well, the peak download speed is 4 gigabytes per second, while the peak upload speed is 250 megabytes per second. It also has smart mode. When your iPhone doesn't need 5G, it automatically goes to LTE and back. Now, iPhone 12 comes in blue, red, green, yellow, and black colors. Yeah, these are all the options for the iPhone 12 model. Now this base model's screen size is 6.1 inches and its bezels are even smaller. Now it is thinner 11%, smaller 15%, and 16% lighter. So now it also has Super Retina XDR display that lets this screen analyze the image even better. It's 2 million by 1 contrast ratio. It has 2 times more pixels. And by the way, iPhone 12s have rounded edges as they were on iPhone 4 and 5. Also, iPhone 12 introduces the screen with ceramic shield that protects the iPhone on the molecular level, of course, better, so that it, as Apple claims, this iPhone screen will be tougher than any smartphone glass, and it will have 4 times better drop performance than the previous year iPhones. Furthermore, iPhone 12's A14 Bionic chip is the first smartphone chip built on 5nm technology. It has 11.8 billion transistors, and it has 2 high-performance core, and it is 50% faster CPU than any other. And iPhone 12 chip uses the neural engine and machine learning for 80% faster performance. It has 11 trillion operations per second, and it has second generation architecture. So yeah, this is just shortly about the A14 Bionic chip. So now let us move to the camera of the iPhones. So it has ultra-wide 12MP camera, also the wide 12MP camera, and also its camera allows us to capture night mode time lapses. These are just some of its examples, I guess. So also, Apple introduced the new MagSafe thing. It's basically a technology, a magnet inside the iPhone that allows some special charging cases or other stuff, even the wallets, to charge wirelessly, just as you see. Like, that's basically how it looks inside, and that's how you connect it to this MagSafe thing. And this is the animation that you get when you have connected it to your iPhone. So also, Apple and Belkin have started creating and designing some new wireless chargers. Now let's talk about the iPhone box and what it will include. Well, unfortunately, it will no more include the ear pods. And this is how actually this box looks like. Yeah, it's really thin because there will be only the charger cable, but not the charger adapter. Another iPhone 12 lineup friend, which is iPhone 12 mini. This is the comparison with iPhone 8. It has 5.4-inch display. This is the comparison with iPhone 12. It has all the features as the iPhone original 12, 5G, Super Retina XDR, a ceramic screen, and it's the smallest, thinnest, and lightest
12
5G
mini.
phone. So yeah, that's basically it with iPhone 12 and 12 minis. So we have new colors, 5G, new sizes, 5.4 and 6.1 inch, the ceramic shield, 4K 60 FPS recording, MagSafe, and even more. And the prices for them are, for iPhone 12 mini, it's $699, and for iPhone 12, it's $799. Now let's move to even greater iPhone 12 models. And let's start with the iPhone 12 Pro, which of course has these rounded corners, all the glass, stainless steel glass cover around it, and 3 cameras. Well, actually 4. It also has ceramic shield, and water and dust resistance is now up to 6 meters. It has 6.1-inch display, and the Pro Max version has 6.7, which makes it 2:1 contrast ratio with Super Retina XDR display. It also has the ultra wide with 12 MP, both of them, telephoto camera, and last but not least, the LiDAR scanner. LiDAR is basically an augmented reality, so that you can augment your reality and you can add some unreal stuff into what you are shooting. It also has improved accuracy, the reduced capture time. It has a faster autofocus and autofocus in low light, and it is 6 times faster. Now let's move to the video, or actually photo. So now the portrait mode is available in zoom in and zoom out, which is 2.5x and 0.5x, thanks to ultra wide and telephoto cameras. Yes, we are talking about the portrait mode. So also the wide lens has all new sensor, which is 47% larger and 87% better low light improvement. It also has optical image stabilization sensors, the 5 times more micro adjusting, HDR video recording, which is 10-bit HDR recording. It also has 700 million colors. It is 60 times more colors, and it's the first camera to record Dolby Vision, and also it has some advanced video editing filters. And the price for 12 Pro is $999 for 128, 256, and 512 gigs, as well as an iPhone 12 Pro Max, price for which is $1099. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the iPhone 12 2020 lineup, which consists of iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please, guys, click like and subscribe down below so that you don't miss any future videos just like this. And I see you guys later. Bye!